Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to get to a bot lobby in Fortnite chapter 5. So this is very easy, so the only thing you have to do is to go to the main screen of Fortnite and you have to choose the icon of your profile, go to add a friend and you have to look for 58.bot space lobbies. You can use whatever number you want, for example 38, and you have to add as a friend the first option that appears, and you have to wait a few seconds till this bot accepts your friend request. So in this case it's not accepting my request, so I have to select another one. I don't know, for example this one and this one. As you can see, it accepted my invitation, so you have to press invite to the party and you have to wait a few seconds till the bot joins to you. Then you have to press already, and in a few minutes the match will be appearing. The bot can take very little to accept the match. So when this bot accepts and we join to the lobby, the bot will disconnect from that lobby and you will be able to play with bots. In case that this bot is not accepting the match, you can cancel the match, you have to remove the bot from the lobby and you have to press play and you will be able to play with bots. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.